Looking for the perfect business to buy? This video will show you how to save your search on Venturu and get instant alerts so you never miss a new opportunity. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just head to venturu.com and type a location. This can be a zip code, it can be a city, it can be your neighborhood. I'm just going to start with Miami, and that's going to immediately show me the businesses for sale in Miami. So I'm going to add some filters to make sure I only get alerts for the businesses that I'm interested in. So first thing, I'm going to be looking for restaurants that are no more than $1 million. And we're just going to go simple in this demo, but you can add a lot of other filters based on annual profit, how many employees are there, what the establishment age was, and other things like whether the business has been FBA qualified. So I'm just going to go simple. I'm looking for restaurants over under $1 million. And I'm just going to click Save Search. So something important to note is that you have to have logged in to do this. So once you do this, you can find your searches over here. You'll see that currently there's 249 businesses that match the criteria that you were looking for. But what I can do now is I can activate instant alerts. So whenever there's any new business in the area that matches those filters, I will get immediately an email. So you can do this as many times as you like. You can set up a lot of searches in different cities. And if you have a lot of these searches, you can also turn on the daily roundup. And what this will do is instead of sending you, 20 different emails, it will just send you one single email with all of the business opportunities that were found for you. And that's it. Find your next business at venturu.com.